Hi, today I'm going to show you the Naviate 3D Measure command. The 3D Measure command means that I can place objects along a 3D polyline. I'm going to start by selecting here. In the dialog, I can use templates to make sure that I set up my dialog box correctly from the start. I can use the preview button to get a first look on how it looks, and I can also see then that I need to rotate these blocks 90 degrees, so I'll come back to the dialog and add that one. I can also use the calculate button if I want to have these blocks placed at an evenly spacing, and I can see that I need to have 103 and change to make sure that I get 17 objects. And when I now hit OK, we can see that I get a block in the end of this row that I have here. I can also place longer objects. So if I select another 3D polyline here, and I select my template for road barriers. In this case, if I use my preview, we can see that we can also have a different start and end block. So if I zoom into the start, we can see that we're adding a start block to this barrier. And if I go back to the end over here, we can see that we add the end block to the barriers as well. I can come back to the dialog and make changes, or if I'm ready, and I hit OK. And then my objects are created.